Can you hear me now? Yeah, I think I adjust the setting a little bit. Actually, I didn't mute myself, but I forgot to connect my mic. I forgot to connect the mic to my streaming software. So yeah, it's fine now, I guess. Okay, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Awesome. Yeah, I was taking attendance. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, good morning, everyone. Wow, yesterday for the New York session, who traded? Who take that? Let me create a poll for that. Yeah. So yesterday before market open, so Michael like published a video, like a short commentary about, it's around 5 minutes only, on Twitter. So it's like, his trading analysis about the New York session, like why he thinks price gonna go up, and what's his thoughts after price whipping those liquidity. So if you watch that video, like it's just 5 minutes, and if you fast forward, it probably just takes you like 3 minutes and you can finish the video. So if you watch that, that's impossible that you didn't take that long. All right, because he literally telling you what's his targeted. So I believe everyone, if you watch that video, you already took a long position. Probably not till the end, or probably not hold it till market close, but like at least you make some profit for that long position, I believe. I can show you the. Let me find it. So it's this one. So this one. So it was like 9:12 a.m. Eastern time. So he posted this pre-market opinion, literally talk like everything about from higher time frame to the lower time frame. So you guys can go check it out. I post the link in Discord too. Where are you from? I'm from Hong Kong. All right. Okay. Oh, it's 50-50. So 50% take a long, 50% no. So what was that 50% no are doing? Maybe you didn't watch it, right? I used to use that like function. There's a platform that will auto refresh all those home feed for you. I think you can still have that. So because Michael's always announced some of his commentary on Twitter. So if you really want to learn ICT concept, you can't just watch the YouTube video. You need to follow what happenings on his Twitter. So right now we're inside a 1 hour average here. Also previous annual, I believe. And out here. We just sweep the Asia high. Today is around 200 points, still 200 points Asia. Midnight opening price here. Good morning. Unfinished business left 105. 105. Where is that? What do you mean here? Yeah, I want to short too, but like every time I'm doing counter trend trading, this is what we do in the London session. So we just sweep a eco high and also a Asia high by liquidity. So price rejected from the midpoint of the annual. Go up to here. Midnight opening price 12. Do we get anything here? Okay, we got some buy side equity here though. Well, we get so many volume imbalance here. I mean, well, first this one is crazy. We literally got a liquidity war here. And even here, like here, we just got so many volume imbalance here. Free drives with SMT. Oh yeah, we did have SMT with the, yes. Yeah. Where the hell is that? Fuck me. Yeah, that monthly average. Well, but to be honest, I rarely check out the monthly time frame. Is SMT less significant because of how divergence ES and NQ daily chart is? I don't really use SMT as a confirmation signal. I just use this as part of the conference. Good morning, Ray. Oh yes, so about the MTP, we got yesterday. Today I will try to close my position in the MTP. I would say it's hard for me to do so though. MTP as actual TP. So right now I have this problem. London session, I got the MTP. I didn't take parcel on the MTP. So price we chase back to break even. So I'm targeting for like larger target. That's why I didn't close at the point that I should close it. While in New York session, I closed too early. So like I need to change it actually. Like London session I'm closing it too late, while New York session I'm closing it too early. So for New York session, for example, like yesterday long position, I closed it too early, which I should actually just trail my break even, trail my stop loss to let it retrace and hit my trailing stop loss. But instead I just cut the trade. So I think I need to find a way to improve this problem. Especially for example, like there's some trading competition, even for like the real money competition or those demo account competitions. If you try to compare to others, which I don't recommend you to compare to others, but if you are trying to compare with someone else, using the trailing stop loss method will help a lot, because you're just letting the price go to the target that you can't even imagine, right? But if you just set a target and close it there, it's hard for you to catch a larger move. How many points did you catch in NY? Let me take a look. I make 10k, but I don't exactly remember how many points. Let me find. So here I long with this wick. I mean, this long wick, we both know what happened, right? Sweep the buy side here, sell side here. I got a long wick up again. But this one was tough, this one I was like a little bit hesitating. Should I close my trade now? It's just a few candlestick, but at that time you feel like it's 1 hour. You feel like we're chopping for 1 hour because this few candles was crazy. I think I closed it here, around here. So not much, around 100 points, I think. So not much. Probably not even 10% of the move, right? For the whole bullish move. But I make enough for that. I'm content with enough. But yeah, so I'm thinking like how to hold for longer. It's still hard for me because like I just don't like that strategy. I want to end the whole trading session as soon as I can. So if I hold for longer, so I will never know how like when can I close the trade. Like it's probably won't end until the PM session. But I don't want to hold the trade until PM session. I just want to end my whole working day at that time. Okay. So, are you guys in a position right now? Anyone? You're short, obviously. Good morning, Momo. Right now, I need a structure first because like I don't know where my stop loss should I don't know where should I put my stop loss. It's gonna be like simply points if I take a shot here because like there's no solid structure, reversal structure here yet. Looking for long on EUR. We are trading NQ here, just so you know. Nasdaq index futures. Long from 1 hour average. We are inside a 1 hour average already. Which one are you saying, like lower? This one? Stop above the 4 hour CB. 4 hour CB. Oh, wow, it's around a lot, right? 70 points. So we got a daily average above us here. $27. Oh yeah. Oh, that day we take this trade. That day we take the trade, like the long to the daily average. I remember it. All right, let me take a look on the London session bias. So 60% bullish, 20% bearish, and 16% neutral. So everyone in the chat saying that you guys want a short position, but 60% voting for bullish. What happened? $2.5 SD. All right. So let me take a look. 1230. Where is 1230? This is 1230. Okay. Which one? This one should be the low. Oh. Well, let me get away this one. What? 2.5 here? The number I'm wrong again. I'm using the retracement, the fib retracement. So 30. I know because I'm putting it on the low, not the exact mid opening price. So mid opening price will be here, but I'm putting it the low, like 12 to 1230. So if I put it at the mid opening price, it will be like this. So on ES, we got a New York AM session, the July 27 New York AM session, and also this is a equal high, and then a daily high here. So ES is going to this security. I will cancel this one. Right now I got nothing to do. I mean, London Q-Song start here, and we're premium. We're premium. It's okay. I mean, you can still take a long in premium, but we don't have like the crease sweep and also we're creating more sell side liquidity here. So if we really want to long, we may need a manipulation neck down here, sweeping some of the liquidity first. So if we get a long wick here, like what we got like for yesterday New York AM session, that would be great to long. But right now I don't got anything. You cut your tradings to go up a little bit further. Yeah, good. So you didn't let the trade hit your stop loss. Instead, you like manually close your trade. So what's the factor that make you decide to cut your trade manually instead of hitting your stop loss? I hope we can get something today and finish it as soon as I can, because I have to go to the gym today. So I need to cut our stream earlier. I want to get another 4-hour stream award. The rate it moved through the negative 2 SD was too strong. That's why I cut it. Long up and then reverse as one of your stop loss areas. I see. Well, I hope it won't just go all the way up right now, because I can't get in, obviously. Do you go gym every day? No, you don't need to go every day. I mean, for me at least, go to the gym every day is making things worse. But I think, you know, everyone got a customized plan, training plan. But like, as my condition, going to the gym every day sucks. I don't have enough energy to do that, so I won't build muscle or burn fat if I go there every day. Oh, were you so fast? Oh, were you so fast? I was trying to do that and you were faster than me. Oh my god, our best moderator here. You're too fast, I can't catch up. Yes, fucking creepers not allowed. OnlyFans. Yeah, so last time someone asked me about OF, and I was thinking OnlyFans, but actually they're talking about order flow. That was funny. This not what do you mean? TGIF? You mean this today we got TGIF? You're looking for that? Is that what you mean? Well, we can take a look on the weekly candle. Well. Whoa. I mean, we already up a lot. It's this is over 20 to 30%. Like, I mean, we're up from here to here. Will be declining always, so it's possible to have TGIF. No, I mean, for the weekly candle, we already rise over 20 to 30%. You know what I mean? So there won't be TGIF. It's not a TGIF model. I think I only trade TGIF when ICT just released that video. So like I trade for 1 to 2 months because you know you got some new things to learn, so you definitely want to try it. And after that 2 months, I didn't use that model anymore. Just not. It's not like it's not good, but just not something I'm looking for. Uh-huh. But we get a lot of like short position, short chap here. Like for example, this bearish candle, like so it's large, and this one will actually get a gap down too. So these two, so like if I'm looking for short, these two will make me want to short. This one got a long wick, and then a large bearish candle gap down. Seriously, if I see it here like at London session, I probably want to short here. We're gonna bounce off this 1 minute BC. Which one? This one? Let me... Okay. Yes, of course you can post your trade in Discord for real. I mean, that's a trading chat. You can post all your charts there. $28,782. Well, that's I don't think we'll go that high in London. I'm not so sure. Maybe this one. We got 1 hour average. We got a buy side create here. I think we probably come here if we keep on going bullish and touch the daily average. But for this one, I'm not so sure. But we did create a lot of sell side here. I mean, this one is great for a short position, literally. Like this all liquidity here. It's good. Let me take a shot here. I think it's worth a try. If it's not working, then I will wait for more confirmation for the next trade. Because price did retrace back to this what's the 2 VI plus 1 average? What's the PDLA? What's the name of the PDLA? I don't remember. Suspension block, right? Yeah. And yes, shopping too. I'll say it's worth a try. Not like it's the high probability trade, but like at least everything I want is there, are all there. So yeah. But it's kind of too slow for a bearish move. As we all know, you know, short happen faster than long. So if it wants to drop, and we also have like a lot of LRL here. If price really wants to drop, it should drop a lot more faster than we like what happening here right now. Because LRL means no resistance liquidity run. So if it's no resistance, price should drop faster. And if price struggling, it's probably not the time to hit our low resistance liquidity. What's the framework of this share? I just tell you. RSI, we got someone using RSI here. Wow. And today is last trading day of July. Next week it will be August. Yeah, our summer trading time. It's dangerous to trade last day of the month. I agree with you. So to be honest, I don't want to trade today's New York session. Today is monthly and weekly candle closing day. That sucks. That sucks. I think I will try to like live stream less, but make more content in August. Because there's just no point for staring at the chart for a few hours in August. I mean, even for July, the price actions are like that. Like we need to hold a trade for 1 or maybe 2 hours just for London session. And August will be worse. Yesterday move is one big imbalance. Let's see. It's just too slow right now. Let me take a look on 1 minute time frame. What is ES doing here? ES just chopping. But the point is like ES already dropped a lot and it's very close to the low of the range, which the same low for NQ will be this. So we are far away from here, but ES is very close to the low of the range. A lot of conference at 780. You mean above us? You believe you're not gonna short until confirmation. That's good. You know, we all need to have our own analysis. So this is actually a good thing. So you are having your own analysis instead of just try to following someone else trade. So it's great actually. We're struggling here. So if price we chase back to the upper part of this gap, this PDRA, I would say it's not looking good. I think I'll try to chill a little bit. Because like if price hit here, it will close my trade anyways. Oh. So we are close to touch this VC again, and this is the MTP, okay, chat. This one is the MTP. And yes, just sweep the low of the range. Don't forget MTP. I already told you this is the MTP. We may get bullish SMTY array right now because yes, this sweep the low, and which on NQ we didn't because this low is here for NQ. So if we want to drop more, we need to turn this BC into a IFVG, and it may not turn it into IFVG. It can just reject price up again. What's an MTP? Oh, you're new here. Oh, PDX MTP means mental take parcel. It's my mental take parcel, but it can be your real take parcel. So in my mind, I already take parcel. So even if price retrace back and hit my stop loss, I'm totally fine because in my mind, I already take it. I just didn't. So I didn't do it on my real trade position. I'm gonna trail my stop loss of the high of this suspension block. Well, it's still looking good because we did turn it into IFVG. I'll try it here. High of this week. Very close now. Come on, yes, come on. Okay, I try to break even now. So risk-free trade. Come on, just a little bit more, just 1 point, 1 and 2 point. Come on, come to me, baby. NQ, hit me. Yes. Did you see that, chat? Yep. We need to change the music. We need to change to something upbeat. Yes. That was good. It's only 2:43 now, and we already finished this. Yeah. I don't need the MTP. You know, because I didn't take MTP this time and I got a W. So next time I will do the same. Next time we'll do the same without taking the MTP. Yes. Oh, huge job here. Beautiful trade, right? Who took the same trade? Show me a W if you take the same trade, or at least take your MTP. Yes, I know. I say don't copy my trades. I know that. Yes, finally. Probably we don't need to been through so many losing trades before the W. I got 100% win rate today. Let me take a look. Like, how much did I make this? Where is that? Okay. Oh, no. Just show you here. These are the 50K account. This is my personal account, so I multiply two. I use double contract size. So the others are 150K funder accounts. So it's $2,000 each for those 150K funder accounts. Not bad, right? Yeah, happy Friday! Happy Friday! Should we celebrate it with oh my god, we're still jumping. Ray, you rich as fuck now. I'm so sure Ray is still holding the chain. Right? You rich as fuck now. Probably drop to MNO. Yeah. That was good. You enter way down, but so return long now, or but I prefer price hitting MNO, to be honest. Yeah, that's awesome. Let me show you the execution here. So that's what we did here. I enter exactly with this wick because I was waiting to see if price gonna retrace to this suspension block, and we did have a wick here. Yeah, but like after I see the wick, I can zoom in a little bit. Like because I enter with market order. So after I see this wick tap into this suspension block and retrace and left a long wick, price already here, right? So when I enter, I can't enter here. If I want to enter here, I need to set a limit order. But I want to see how price we at after price like tapping this PDLA. Because it probably not tapping it with a long wick, right? It probably just chop inside it. So instead of setting a limit order, I want to see how price we add with the PDOA and then enter with market order. So, you know, when I see it and I go to TradeFA and click the sell, price already here. So I enter here and go all the way and get out from here. What the fuck is that job? We got our low resistance liquidity run. Exactly, here. You know, if we want to pass those intraday trailing drawdown, this is the perfect trade for it. No retracement at all. You maybe chop a little bit here, but just chop. You went to go shower for a second. You can't leave a stream. You are better than Patrick Willen. Well, but he's better than me for affiliate sales. I didn't even make 1% of his sales. I am so sure I didn't even make 1%. For real. Not even 1%. So he is good at what he's doing. And I'm good at what I'm doing, which is trading. But not sales. But I should improve that one, right? I should improve my selling skills. But the problem is, like whatever he's making for affiliates, probably a lot more than what we got from trading. You know, that's the point. That's the point. You know, not just the sales, but like for signing a deal with a prop firm. Oh, Sad, welcome, Sats414. Like they signed a deal with that prop firm, they already got $1 million US. I mean that's crazy, you know? Yes, you're making a lot. So I mean, so what's the problem for getting better in trading if I'm not making that much of money? But it's still good. It's still good. I'm glad. But you know, exactly this one is also the problem. Like today I didn't take MTP and then price just goes straight to my final TP, right? So because of this thing happen from time to time, I would just doubt myself, should I really take parcel for my MTP? Because if I'm compete right for my bias, it just goes straight to the TP. So that is the reason why I always struggling to take parcel. What a WJ. It's been a while for like such a good W. Because I'm already get used to get like two losing trade first and then get my W back. Now we already can skip those L. MNO here. Yes, this is 12 opening price. So it's like here. No MTP day. I should have opened a beer, right? Got a beer to celebrate, because we are tipsy traders. We're so close to the mean opening price right now. ES still dropping. Oh, we just hit it. So for those who left a Warner, congratulations. You are filthy rich today. Chat, let's hit the like button. So we can get our giveaway earlier today, you know. So let's get to 120 likes as usual, right? You needed to make up for cutting your trade. I'm just curious, like usually how much do you risk for your trade? Like in terms of contract size or maybe percentage? Yeah, celebrate. We need. I don't have a money gun. Can I just use real money? I have some cash here. Can I just use those cash as my money gun? You risk too much? I'm gonna DM you to ask this question. One question, what was your narrative behind this Che you're watching and backtesting Silver Bullet and 2022 already watched? So this one, when we keep on going up, we're actually also creating a lot of sell side creep here, which is not just minor sell side creep, but a low resistance liquidity here. And actually we have so many bear trap here happen. Like for example, this one, we got a huge bearish candle. This one is worse because we got a long wick like a manipulation, like sweeping some buy side liquidity, got a bearish candle, and even a gap down. So this kind of bear trap happened twice. So for those who need to get their stop out, already got hit. So maybe this time we will get more confirmation. And this is the low. This low are the target because it's actually above the 1 hour average, because price can retrace and reject from the 1 hour average. So I'll set this to relative equal low as the target. And this is obviously like halfway to the target, so this is the MTP. And I enter here because we got a suspension board here. We got a long wick. We chase back to this PD area and then straight down here, hitting this BC. So I just enter here. So that's whole mindset for the trade. Let me see if I want to see if I can get better for this trade. But like, I think the only thing I can do to make it better is just leave a warner to mid opening price, or maybe the midpoint of the 1 hour average. But since yesterday London session, it did affect my psychology, because yesterday I didn't take the MTP and price retraced back to my break even. So my past experience will affect my next trading session. It's definitely affecting it. So I just want to close it all here instead of leaving more awareness. So if I do backtesting, that would be like the most ideal case is leaving warner. But in fact, when I'm just literally doing real trading, it's hard to do so because of the psychology. The risk and contrast on spread betting is totally different to futures. Oh, so you're actually trading the spread betting account. Oh, I see. But I thought like spread betting is just like CFD, isn't it? So we are not watching high time frame like 1 hour, 4 hour. Yes, we do. We do. But probably you didn't join the stream at that time. We did the higher time frame analysis before switching to lower time frame. So for example, this gray area, this is the 1 hour average. So I will annotate here. And for the purple one, this is the NWAP. Beauty of a trade, right? Oh, we're so fast. We are very close to 120 likes. Chat. Do you look into 15 average? I don't look into it very often, I gotta say. So it's like when I don't have any ideas, like I can find a potential setup and I don't know like where price is going. I don't know where the liquidity is. Then I will keep on switching to a different time frame to see if I miss something. Because sometimes I can miss something, right? For example, this 1 hour average, because after London Q-Song start, actually we create one more 1 hour average here, and I didn't even realize. So I need to switch to those time frame to take a look. You're learning, but we're not educational stream though. We're entertainment stream. But I'm glad you're learning something. I hope to provide some value here, no matter what value is that. So today we are doing the Lucid trading giveaway. Chat, you want some Lucid accounts, right? I guess we're doing a 50k Lucid account. And just so you know, they just released a new plan called Lucid Daily. So it's actually similar to TPT. I think it's very close to TPT, but they got a payout cap, and they are slightly expensive than TPT. But like, if you already max out on TPT and you still want more daily payouts accounts, then this Lucid Daily is not bad. But I would prefer the one more thing, they got customized. You can customize the rules. So if you don't like intraday trailing, you can just choose EOD drawdown for eval. But after you pass those evaluation, it will become intraday trailing again. And you can also customize it to make it no DLL, no daily loss limit. So these are the things you can work on for the new Lucid Daily plan. And my code for Lucid Daily is Candy. Yeah, I'm trying to make 1% sales as Patrick Willen, which is probably impossible. Probably 0.5% I'll try to make. May just long all the way, but really? You want to long here from the mid opening price? Love to see you win and succeed. Thank you, Mike Canful. And I'm so glad all of you make money today too. That was the point. We make money together as a London gang. Okay, chat, I just sent the link in Discord for giveaway. Hi Phil, you said that you learn ICT. Do they have a playlist to get started? Yes, so in Discord, there's a ICT channel. So I put my recommended ICT playlist there. And I have a brief description about what those playlists is about. So those playlists, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I got 6 playlists here. And this is like, I watch it all. So I watched all these playlists, and I recommend you guys to watch it too. I know it's a lot. Trust me, it's worth it. It's in Discord, the recommended playlist. Oh, so what's your target, Ray? Your long position? Are you longing to up to the high of London high? Yes. We got a average here. We also got a. This looks so good, to be honest. You know, we got a long wick here. This looks so good. But like, I'm content with enough. And I have consistency rule for some of the accounts, so I can make more. That's enough for those consistency rule accounts. It's looking really good. So what are you guys' target if you're taking this long? I shared the Discord link here, so if you join the Discord, you will see everything. So is everyone finished filling the giveaway form? I will just give you a few more minutes for it. Do you have a rule on how earliest you can enter a trade? 2 a.m. for the London Q zone. And I know, these days the setup happens before 2 a.m. very often, but I just want to stick with my rules because before I set this rule to myself, I lose a lot of money just because of getting in a trade before 2 a.m. That's why I set this rule to myself. I know it also means I'm gonna miss some setups. It's probably great setups, but to preserve capital, I would just keep on following that rule. Purple area. Where is this one? N-wall. This is N-wall. Let me get away. This one. This is a BC plus a VI. No, I trade both London and New York AM. But for the New York AM, I don't trade very often, and I just trade probably 9:30 to 10 a.m. Because it's evening time for me, I can't just keep on staring at the chat. I need to go dating, okay? If I'm staring on the chat every night, I have no life. You took the same trade for 120 points. Good for you. Congrats. But this trade, this kind of move is great because we don't get this kind of range for London session every day. So, we've been through that a lot. Just chopping for 1 hour, just chop within 30 points. Did you say you need to go dating? Jay, hello, how are you doing? Jay, do you know someone from Hype? I heard that my idol group is gonna come back next year, and their group contract is under Hype, which is not good. Oh, price rechasing. Will the 3 a.m. curse? This is the 3 a.m. But I guess you said your stop loss lower. Did you check Asia session before? No. Yes and no. Like, not from 8 p.m. Eastern time, but like, because I was living in Asia before. So when I wake up earlier, I will just want to check. But like, it's not a strategy that aim for Asia session. I believe you guys can check Asia session, but you need to like modify the whole trading strategy first. No, not new jeans. Okay, so everyone finish entering the giveaway. Oh. In her apartment. Right, that's fun. Do you trade Fridays in New York? Sometimes. But today is like the last trading day of the month, and probably I'll say I'll probably skip it. Okay, give me a second. I love your answers, Ray. That's awesome. I think we will stick with duck race, right? I feel like you guys love duck race instead of kitty race. No, I'm not living in Hong Kong right now, but I'm from Hong Kong. Okay, chat. Let's. Oh, sorry. Why is there Thundernex adhere? That is crazy. Thundernex put so much money on ad. I don't want to see you here. Get out. Get ready. We're gonna get our giveaway start now. Hello? Who's that? Who's that? What? Joe. Wow. Jovial. Is that how it pronounced? Jovial 181. Okay, congrats. You just win. Just won a 50k Lucid account. You can create a support ticket in Discord to claim your prize. No worries, we got giveaway every stream if we hit our like target. Let's see what's the prize doing. I'm still here. Are you guys still in that long position? It was so close to the low though. What are you guys doing? Oh, you got some Ireland fans here. Alright, so I want to end the whole trading week with this. I don't want to risk more, because if I take another losing trade, I will be upset for the weekend. So in order to make myself enjoy the weekend, I think I will end the whole trading thing with this trade. So thank you everyone. Next week is NFP week, right? If I didn't get it wrong. Yes. Let me take a look. Yes. NFP week. I think Monday is fine. I will see if Tuesday. I don't know. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, definitely no stream. London session. Monday I will stream. Tuesday I will depends. I'll depends. Okay. So I will see you guys all on next Monday. Enjoy your weekend. You know, touch some grass, study some ICT concepts, and just preserve capital. If you want to trade your session, just preserve capital. Good luck, good trading, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's stream and hope you get some money. And I'll see you all next week.